Hello artistic friends, and a warm welcome to today's video. If you've always wanted to draw iconic characters like this charming Pikachu but felt it might be too difficult, you're in for a treat. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple shapes and lines that make up this beloved Pokemon, and then we'll add some vibrant color. No prior drawing experience needed, just a willingness to learn and have some fun. Get your art supplies ready, and let's get started on your very own Pikachu masterpiece. Thank you so much for drawing with us today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a big thumbs up, leave a comment below with what you'd like to draw next, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun art lessons. See you next time, happy drawing!